took my hand and pulled me out of reach from my hopes and dreams. You played your part, you fooled me. Didn't want to face reality and all the tangles of our past.
Hello my sweet friends, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this smooth bun that you can do in minutes but looks fancier than a simple bun. So I'll begin by gathering all our hair into a middle or high ponytail, making sure it's nice and smooth. Then you want to grab a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic so you'll hide it, and tuck it into the elastic underneath the ponytail, like so. Now you want to grab a clear elastic and tie it at the middle of the created ponytail, and then twist it lightly like I'm showing. You want to pin it at the base of clear elastic. Use 1 or 2 bobby pins. Now you want to grab the ends and wrap it around the ponytail, depending on how long your hair is. So many times you'll wrap it around the elastic. Make sure to pin it in place. Now I want to fan around our bun like so and pin it from both sides, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this easy but different looking bun. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.
Forgive and remember, it's the only way to be.